Panning over to Kenny, soundboard man.
Alright, where we at? Sound check.
Vocal.
Yeah, give me just a real quick mix, no vocals yet, and I'll come back in and we'll drop the floor monitors and do the vocal, right?
Alright. No vocals on this. Yeah.
You don't have anything on channel 1 yet?
No, nothing. Just in case he had in case he brought in a guitar or something, I moved the drums all together.
We are good. Now someone was thinking about 600 bodies, 700 bodies start rolling in here, and it gets tight, and the bodies start absorbing that sound, and we can start,
Right.
you know, so it's kind of...
Do you want to do that real quick?
Yeah, because that's... This leads more than just...
Give him one more second on that.
Yeah, he's going to try to lead real quick. We're going to get one more second. So